All right, have you got this problem? Export never ends. It goes forever. Well, I found one solution, and I just found it yesterday, so I want to share it with you. We're going to close this because it's never going to stop. For some reason, I took a look at a student's file here, and I looked and I saw there's this weird thing, and it's got this weird message, X undefined, and I tried to change it and see if I could make it work, and it didn't seem to change. And I noticed that all of these frames right here have that. Then it goes back to normal. So my thought was, let's just delete all that stuff and go from there. So I'm going to delete these right now. Can I delete multiple frames at once? Can I hold shift? No, you can't. I'm going to pause, delete these, and then I'm going to come back. Okay. So now I am, what I'm going to do is, now that I've got that, hold on, let's see if I can get rid of this. Sorry, I don't know why that's on. Now that I've got rid of those, it plays, it works. Now I'm going to go to export, and let's see if the export works now. Export as animated GIF, fingers crossed. Will it process forever, or will it actually export? I think it's going to export. This is long. It's a long export. It was a pretty long video. It should work. It should work. Pause. Literally right when I paused the video, by the way, it said done. So there you go. Download animated GIF, and I'm going to just save it. Now there's going to be another problem here. I'm going to deal with both problems. Problem number one was we couldn't get it to export. That's great. Okay, now I'm going to show you this. Look at my animation. It's all, where is my background? Okay, I also figured out why this app happened. We created our backgrounds in Pixlr F, Pixlr, Pixlr.com, and then they have their, Pixlr E. And Pixlr E has this advanced feature, and I'm going to just show this to you, okay? When we saved, or when some students saved, they actually went File, Export as a PNG. Okay. The problem, it seems like for some students, if they exported it as a PNG and loaded it, that it makes this black background. So if we save our background as a JPEG, I'm just going to call this background JPEG, okay? And make sure that it is actually a JPEG, JPG. PNG has the P and the G, and like JPEG has a P and a G, so that can be confusing. And we're going to download it. Okay, background JPEG, and we're going to save it to our, wherever you're saving. I'm saving it to my downloads. Okay, and we're going to close that. Now, if we go back to Brush Ninja and we load that background, okay, search, use your own image, choose a file. I'm going to use background. I think this is slightly different than the one she was using, but I'm going to use that anyway, my student. There we go. Now, I'm going to export it. I'm going to hit play just to make sure it works. It works. Export animation 6 with JPEG. It's like running really slow, probably because I have a lot of things open. Export as animated GIF. Will it work? Come on. This is the last time I'm not going to pause. I'm just going to stare into the camera. And this one should work, and we should be able to see our background again. And I believe this is the solution. I'm going to pause so you don't have to wait. All right, download animated. So that worked, and download animated GIF, animation 6 with JPEG. We're just going to see, let's open it, and solved. Ha! So there you go. There's how to deal with the never-ending download processing, and how to deal with my animation is turned all black. My background is turned black. So hopefully that helps. And if you have other questions about Brush Ninja, I can try and answer them because that's the program I'm using right now. So good luck and have fun creating. This is Mr. G signing off.